Hello everyone and welcome you all to another chapter of Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. So now we are on our chapter number 4 and here I'll be showing you how you guys can add transition in your video, like how there can be a smooth transition. Okay, so there are different options under effects, okay? And in video transition, I'll show you from where you guys can access those and can play around your video and how you can basically put like if you want to put it in between, how you guys can do that. So we'll be looking into transitions in detail here in this class. So let's not waste time and let's get started with this particular chapter here. So here again at the same workspace which I used in my last class. So here I do have few videos, and now what I'll be doing is I'll be adding transitions in between of these videos. So I'll just zoom in here. Okay. So I'll just zoom in, take my playhead. Okay. And here I can see one transition. Okay. So I'll be selecting this. I can also fix with this one, but I'll just zoom out. And here I can see I do have this page here. Now plus, go down here. So I'll be adding a transition here. So from where I can basically get to add transition. Okay. So here in this Premiere Pro only we do have different type of transition. Okay. So first I'll come to effects from my media browser. And from there, here you can see I do have the video transition options. So under this, I do have so many of this. Okay. So the dissolve, the immersive video, the iris, and like zoom in, zoom out. So first I'll be looking into the dissolve, and first which one I'll be selecting is the cross dissolve. Okay, so I will bring this one here and I can put here in between. Okay, so here you can see I can put here in this one or in between here and also here in this first video. Okay, so I can do all that here. So I'll be putting here in between. So I do have a cross dissolve here. So if I just take my playhead back now and if I play, I don't see much of a difference here because this one is quite small. See here in just a millisecond I have put here. Okay, so what I can do is I can select on this one and I can drag this down. Okay, so I have increased the length here. And now what I can do is I can just click on play and here you can see the transition. Okay, so if I just put it in another video, that will be good for you guys. I hope you guys understand. So I'll just here and I'll come to this video here and I'll just zoom in and here I'll be adding this deep to black transition. So I'll bring this one here and I'll put it here. Okay, so I'll just put here and now I will increase this one here. So I have put this one here and I will just go back. So I will just play this one. So here you can see the change. Okay. So here once I have added transition here, you can see it is dipping to black and changing the transition. So this is how you can add transition. Okay. And we'll also see other options from here. Okay. So I will select the immersive video and let me choose this one. Okay. And I will put this one in between this here. Okay. So I will just zoom in and from here, I will put this one here. And now, okay, I'll click on this. And now I can actually increase the length here. Okay, so again, zoom out and I will take my playhead white here and I'll play the video. So here you can see the change of how it took place here. So this is one way of doing the transition. So now if I again zoom in here, bring my playhead somewhere here. So here I will try to just zoom in, or I will just trim this down, and I'll choose this one from here, and I'll be just putting it in one side. Okay, so if I just put it in one side, we'll see how it actually works. Okay, so this is how it actually works. And if I keep this one here, okay, so you will be able to see something like this. But if I keep in between, okay, I'll keep it between, and I'll show you guys the difference here, how it is dissolving and the transition is ending here. So these are different ways of how you can use transition. So these are some ways how you can do that. And now again, I'll take this deep to white and I will put this here in the starting of my video. Okay. So from here, I will come and I will click on this deep to white thing here. And now I'll put the transition over here. Okay. So now if I click, as you can see, there is a deep to white coloration, and I can also increase the size from here. So I will just click here. So here you guys can see that I do have a transition between my video. So this is how you guys can basically put your transition and also increase the size or decrease the size. So I hope you guys have understood this video transition of how to do. So all this option you guys can come here and you guys can actually work with all of this. Like you guys can basically in next class, we'll be learning about how we can level our audio and also how you can balance those manually, like your audio, how you can balance those manually in Premiere Pro. So we'll be learning about all that. I hope now you guys do have an idea of how to use the video transitions and how to increase its timing and how to decrease its length and type of things. So once you keep on practicing, you guys will have an idea which one is good or which one is not looking that great. Then you'll have an idea. According to the video, you can use those transition equally. Okay. So hope to see you all in the next class. Till then, take care and goodbye, everyone.